Showtime.
Let's go, family. It's showtime!
Showtime.
It's fucking showtime! Ah!
Would you like a lap dance, dear?
No thanks.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been dreaming for this moment for so long.
What if one of your children grew up to be not gay? Would you still love that child?
No.
You would not.
I actually don't even like you.
Well, you're not alone.
I love seeing all my favorite looks on the runway inspired by me, the OG. Tracksuits. Tracksuits are so cute and comfortable, but always wear ones that are colorful, or else you'll look like you're actually going to the gym. Ew.
This how press it. Ah! What the fuck?
I want to like blow my wife away with like a romantic night out. What do I do?
You said it.
What?
Blow your wife.
This is a network television show.
Is it?
Pat me right now.
Really?
I want you to pat me wallet
Where?
on my neck.
But this is insane. You have your own perfume. I would think, as a kid, I wouldn't even think I would ever have a chance to have my own cologne or perfume.
I don't think you should.
Well, I agree with you.
My name is Kim Kardashian.
No.
And Daddy is Kanye West. And Daddy is a singer, performer, artiste. Mommy has so many talents I can't even begin to name them.
Do you know who Jennifer Lawrence is?
This is the worst day of my life.
Jennifer Lawrence. Nope.
Can you name 5 Jennifer Lawrence movies?
5 Jennifer Lawrence movies?
I know. Who is that bitch?
Ask me about Aniston, I could tell you.
Right, Jennifer Aniston. Prettier, funnier.
Yes.
Yeah, better movies.
Yes, yes.
I'm Jennifer Lawrence.
There's a little secondhand bookstore, and I found a book in there by this guy who used to be really big called Dr. Q, and he wrote a book called Citrus Healing. And it was all the ways that you can incorporate citrus into your life. So breathe in. All right. And then breathe out. Go. And then you breathe out. Okay, keep doing it. Like, yeah, keep doing it. Breathe out. Do you guys feel a little bit better? Feel good?
That's impossible. I made the whole thing up.
The takeaway of this is do not put something in your mouth just because a celebrity tells you to.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend. And she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Sister Kylie was supposed to be on our show tonight, but she cancelled yesterday morning because she was sick. Here's a paparazzi photo.
I don't need no fraud.
Of her. Hours ago. So my question is, how's she feeling?
I don't need no lie.
This is so good.
I had a reason. I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the
I just
reason?
explained the
What was the reason, bitch?
See you in there.
Can't wait. Love you. Bye.
Love ya.
I thought we were friends here.
No.
I shanked her with my nail by accident dancing. Lady Gaga scratched my eye.